pherangke amai long ke bang nangkok kesempat timang pun ada tepi lahalo litung parti long alu kiram tang penangan pen la lung leki mate koila hipur arudi pen hipur penangan dim tekun long la karak pen long bisaram silmian pen cenglok dilai lapen de langbili disopai bitipang ludung daglo pirthelong penan alon riben la lungleki mate oila putpon pitum hekon long chot kali aku hadak lo marata tumta nilitum ASDC son lapen de kabilu chawdi asong along alang tum vang pen tak lo marat pen alang tum itum han lama ketan lo arong riben itu lapen de aroi alang ta mungkin ketan ijun da junudak lo ijun da ini milo lapen de hit kecuali saya kecuali lahai anta dimta tapi dia terson lo tuar kacelat aku ku hit jadi idam tuar kacelat kaduk ku lahai dah mulak lo lapen de hengpi hengkrang tumon kahai dah kahai dulu lapen de utek usu la tujuh luar lahai anta itu mata pun aku lo nona tujuh lo pun de itu non la ton fasen suri lo pun lahai anta itu mata pun aku masuk tujuh lo Kasi militum sebab pen ASDC yuson lapen pe kar bilu chode so atum purpun dari budiritum itu jakong tabe lapen pe itum pur ipe office me alang itum mungkin purbom alang itum hancuni rilo ipurtang an sedame alang itum bang kagos bang tak ko kasi langsung putar bang si militum pini Karbilu choli songben ya sisi phone na hin ben itu council kan siam ke hai orang sang ke hai kan itu lake memodam tak pina poklo mon ke pian jian yan ke lang cari jipan alon ripen gitu pak pur ke jipan lapen de bos pun mengenai suam khaswa tengben palang menjadi apa council pen itu mang junirilo cengsia itu nidum cinia ten pen kote lagi isi minor mining alang itu concerned forest range pen alang itu mang ke isi NOC doni si longli logo kote tamane revenue concerned revenue department pen mate concerned ENO office pen dalam itu bang isi NOC joint venture dami itu je kumama bang fusi ki kurjima hala lapen de like concerned forest officials lapen de concerned revenue office officials pen dam salang tu photo chu thani atum spot long si raksi kurjima lapen rang tupo alang itu PCCF office of benalan tumhan isi NOC ning latate dak council long bang si council long alang itu bang council pen NOC nampo latate council pen NOC tamte alang itu director of mines and mining plus office tampen alang itu isi mining plan long ning mining plan long ka alang itu concerned director and mining geology the officials tu bang si alang itu joint spot long alang itu damning ada video clips lapen de alang itu photos bahir hu dunai laten si mining plan isu depen alang itu easy environmental clearance labang long ngi isi submitted pen isi long depen ki bange letter of intent LY hala bang long den na LY long depen si alang make tor finten tok dek mesin alang tu make chalang bang wealthy people sih chalang bang ngone si lahai kitire do si lahai documents duma bima wan nak dunangi kala bangke itu konsul sorkan si tini memona pina ko alang itu kelang mencari kan ko la penong si itu thang dan tek long le konsul tum kelang mencari kan itu thang long le ude itu rat ayo ni pen yes if you tron pen de KSA pen bang itu sport long dam si itu lake rat harman pen itu mangki buri dam pen ada make itu pen ko ladak penong si heglong le det kriteria pen men heglong le long le documents long le monte la make itu aron atang atum han itu lake pinang ko odak sa ron besar gimana odak sa ron ating iklaim ma hal atum han itu kan ciki pe hatum masih da ko na ko masih ya semen pen ini la pherangke kangni make lahan.
First of all, thank you to all our media friends for coming and attending our press meet. Well, today, Karbi Student Association and ASDC Youth Front have submitted a memorandum to Dr. Tuliram Roham, the CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. The memorandum was in regard to the illegal coal mining and sand mining going on in Karbi Anglong. Well, illegal mining of coal and sand mining is not a new phenomenon here in Karbi Anglong. This has been happening in more than 4 or 5 years or 10 years ago. This has been continuously happening here in Karbi Anglong. And not only today, the Karbi Student Association and SDC Youth Front, we have submitted a memorandum, but apart from that, lots of memorandums, lots of press meet have been held by various organizations of Karbi Anglong. But till today, the sand mining or illegal coal mining have not been stopped yet here in Karbi Anglong. So, we the Karbi Student Association and ASDC Youth Fronts, we would like to appeal to our Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to kindly be proactive in this matter and stop this kind of environmental degradation activities here in Karbi Anglong. Because we would like to cite an important matter out here. Well, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, under the jurisdiction of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, we don't have a police administration here in Karbi Anglong as per the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitutions. However, in Karbi Anglong we have Assam Police, who maintains law and order situations here in Karbi Anglong. So whenever an illegal consignment of drugs is coming towards Karbi Anglong from various northeastern states, the Karbi Anglong police are very proactive in nabbing those kind of culprits. But however, when it comes to illegal coal mining, when it comes to illegal sand mining, the Karbi Anglong police are sleeping, they are in slumber. They don't have any sense to arrest those kinds of illegal miners or illegal suppliers of coal and sand from here in Karbi Anglong. If the Assam police are serious enough to stop any kind of illegal activities here in Karbi Anglong, then the Karbi Anglong police should be very proactive in this matter. If the law and order administrations, they are not proactive in Karbi Anglong, then those kind of activities will continuously happen, and this kind of memorandum and this kind of press meet will be held continuously in the coming future. And also, if the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is serious enough to stop this kind of illegal activities here happening in Karbi Anglong, then they should definitely take stern actions against those are happening here in Karbi Anglong. And if Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council are not serious enough to stop this kind of illegal activities happening here in Karbi Anglong, then it will be futile exercise by any organization to submit a memorandum or to hold a press meet to apprise the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council or the Assam Police that if they are not proactive enough to stop those kind of illegal activities, then it is going to happen. It's going to happen again, over and over again in the future. So our humble appeal to our police, Assam Police of Karbi Anglong, and also to our Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils, particularly our Honorable CEM, Tuliram Roham, to kindly be serious enough to stop this kind of illegal activities happening here in Karbi Anglong. Thank you.
Okay. The allegation that has been means at least against them who are doing the illegal mining. Did those organizations visited their place or on some basis?
Right now, these aforementioned organizations, we have not yet visited the locations, but we have heard from various sources that those illegal activities are happening here in Karbi Anglong, and we have mentioned in our memorandums where those illegal activities are happening. So through this memorandum, we believe that our Honorable CEM Dr. Tuliram Rohan would be aware that where the illegal mining are going on here in Karbi Anglong. So it's up to him whether he will take any kind of measures or not.
Is the organization only visiting the sites where illegal mining is going on? KSA and ASDC soon?
Yeah, certainly. Maybe after some time we will be going. We'll be visiting. Right now, we have apprised the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. It's up to them. If they are not taking any kind of measures to stop those kind of illegal activities, then we have to compel to visit those locations and find out the reasons why those illegal mining are happening.
Those organizations are against which are doing means illegal mining, not against those who have the paper.
Obviously, we are against illegal mining. People who have valid documents issued by the proper authority of any government of Assam, then we don't have any grudge or any kind of issue or grievances against them. Yeah. Thank you.